What's up, guys? We've got a pretty good feeling about this morning. We should be able to get on at least one, lay eyes on a couple birds, and hopefully get the job done. It's a really good property, and birds in the fields every day. Me and one of my students decided we were gonna try to get on a bird together, and he's got about, I think he's probably got today to hunt, so I really want to try and get him a bird. And if I have more time throughout the rest of the day, probably going to continue to hunt, and hopefully we'll both be able to come out with a bird today. So stick around, see what we got, and hopefully we'll put a bird on the ground. Popped my tire last night, or not last night, but yesterday afternoon.
What happened?
I was leaving my mom and dad's, and I just started hearing it go flat. Like I was driving, it was just like pss, 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 pss.
And then he got down to 30 in the car, and the tire just popped.
Jeez, that's crazy. I don't understand that. Push it forward. There you go. Push it forward. There you go. So I don't think we'll need both decoys. We'll just need one. This one. And whenever, if we hear one on this side, we'll just go on ahead and set up on it. I mean, bruh, no way. Over there strutting. gosh. In, do not shoot. Keep your eyes low. Eyes low, don't look at it too much. Right in front of my face. I was just coming towards me. Okay. Did it just fall on you? Well, we didn't have any luck. Had some great footage of a bird strutting. He's just at 100 yards. He actually pitched over us first thing this morning and flew into the other field, still on the same property, just we were already set up and we couldn't really make a move on them at that point. So we're taking a little break for lunch. I got to get my tire changed, and hopefully by the time I get back, we will be able to get on that bird and smoke him. So stick around. We'll make sure that we can get you a bird before the end of the season. Good morning. It's Saturday, May 9th, which means there's 2 days left of turkey season. And me and one of my students, since I'm a school teacher in this county, are gonna try and get a buzzer beater bird. Whew. Sleepy. So hopefully we can get on a bird. We've got about at least 3 different toms on the property that stay in the fields. So hopefully we can catch up with one today and take care of business. Stick around. Up in there?
I literally was probably within 10 yards of the trail.
Really?
Got right on top. I don't even think we touched the trail until you remember when we walked the trail and we saw that little seat, 2 seats right there?
Yeah.
We got right by that and over top of that other hill. I got like on top of that hill right there where that seat is.
Mm.
And then a tom flew that way and a hen flew that way.
Okay.
Because it gobbled at me, but I'm guessing it found a hen. And
Right.
it completely stopped, and I got on top of that hill.
Yeah.
Called for it, and they both split.
Right. Well, I figured something, if they were gonna gobble, would have gobbled at the dog bark. And we can wait a minute and see. Do you have your vest? This, like, that has the seat and everything in it? Oh, it's in there. Okay.
Which I don't really need that.
Let's go over here and see if we can get one to gobble. What they got going on right here? Really? Yeah, I really smell that skunk too. Mm-hmm.
He said he could have swore he saw one just walking around.
Not be a bad idea to hunt this field, really, but again. Or we can just get up in the woods. I think that's a donkey. I swear, I can't tell, dude. What the heck? That looks like a jake almost in its head. Okay, get your gun shoulder now. No. Lacy, I think that's a jake. Shoot it. Hang on. I can't tell for sure. Yep. It's a jake. You can kill it. You can kill it. Just take your time. Whenever you're ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That a boy. Yes. Give me some, baby. No, it's a jake. I saw its fan. Oh, good shot. Great shot, dude. Yep, look here, little spurs on it. I'm about to get flogged. Good shot, baby. Good shot. And I got that on camera.
Did you?
Yep. All right, guys, we finally caught up with one. Got the job done on a jake. Lacy's first turkey. How you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling great.
Congratulations. Great shot, dude. Great shot. Here it is, boys and girls. Pretty little jake. It's got some actually decent hooks on it for a jake. Right, Channer? And it's a little beard. Little red beard. But I'm glad we finally caught up with one. Gonna get this video processed and send it to YouTube. What do you say?
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.